Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this Tech Talk video, I am going to show you how to set different question papers to each and every student in one single online examination. So let us start without any delay. You have to prepare the question paper in the Google form. So let us first create one blank Google form so that we can create the question paper. Log in into your Drive. Click Drive. Once you log in into your Google Drive, click New. More options, Google Forms. Click Google Forms. So one blank Google form is created. Now name this untitled form. Title this untitled Google form into multiple question papers, and then you have to create first sections, minimum 5 sections to create this kind of multiple question papers to each and every student. So let us first click this add section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come to the first section. Here you have to add the questions. To add question, click add question button. Here you have to set one question. Actually this is not the question, this is the path to make the students to go into different questions or sections. So let us type first question here. Whom do you like most? And select this question as multiple choice question. Now in option 1, select one photograph. You can directly select the image from Google image search. So select Iron Man first. Click Iron Man and select one beautiful and attractive picture. Students will get attracted to this kind of pictures. So select this one and insert the picture. So option 1 we have given Iron Man. In the same way, select option 2 also, Spider-Man. Come to this add image, go to Google image search and type Spider-Man. Select one Spider-Man image, insert. So here you can see the Spider-Man image is uploaded into the Google form question paper. Come to option 3, type woman, Wonder Woman, and add image, Google image search, Wonder Woman. Select any photo of Wonder Woman, insert the photo is inserted, uploaded. Come to option 4, Captain America, add image, Google image search. If you already have photographs in your file, you can directly upload the photographs from your folder. Select Captain America, select one picture. This picture looks better. Insert the picture. Now we have selected 4 different options in this multiple choice question. Actually this is not the multiple choice question. Using this question we will divert the students into 4 different sections. That means these 4 different students will select 4 different questions in the question paper. That means these students will get individual question paper or personalized question paper to conduct or to complete answering the examination. This will stop students to copying the examination from other students. Now let me show you how to set that kind of a question. Come to here, select required and then click this one. Now here you can see description, go to section based answer, shuffle option order. Click this go to section based on answer. Once you click this, you will get these options. So the Iron Man, if the students select Iron Man, they can continue to the next section, but instead of going to the next section, we can choose the section to which the student has to enter. So click this continue to next section and select go to section 3. That means students who select option 1 as their choice answer, the students will go to section 3. So select section 3 for Iron Man. In the same way for Spider-Man, select section 4. And for Wonder Woman, select section 5. And for Captain America, select section 6. So in this way, 4 different students will get 4 different set of questions, so that they cannot easily copy the questions answers in the examination. So this is also one of the method to stop students to copy from other students while conducting online examination. So once you set Iron Man, go to section 3. Once the student click this option in their question paper, they will be automatically directed to section 3, and the students who click Spider-Man option, they will be directed to section 4. Now under these sections, now you have to set some questions. Let me show you how to do that also. Come to here section 3. We have allotted this section for Iron Man, so title this section as Iron Man, and then add one question here. You can write any kind of question. You can prepare any, you can set any kind of question here. Which is the capital of India? Question mark. Option 1, you can give Delhi. Option 2, Bangalore. Option 3, Chennai. Option 4, Kolkata. And required select. You can shuffle option order also. Now here, once the student click Iron Man, the students will get this question. Now let me show you another. Now let me show you how to set another section question also. So section 4 we have allotted to Spider-Man. So here we will select one more question. Who is the captain of Indian cricket team? Now we'll select this as multiple choice. Now here option 1, Virat. Now it's option 2, Dhoni. Option 3, Yuvraj. Option 4, none of the above. Create one more set of questions for Wonder Woman, and create question. Who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal? Options you can give: Mamata Banerjee, Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu. Option 4, none of the above. In the same way, you can create questions for Captain America also. So here question: which is the capital of America? Now give 4 options: New York, Washington, Los Angeles, none of the above. Now come back to the preview section. Once again I'll show you how this actually works. So here there are 4 options. If students select option 1, the student will get this question: which is the capital of India? If the student select different option, they will get different question. Let me show you that. Come back. Now the student has selected option 2, Spider-Man, and they clicked next button. Now here you can see who is the captain of Indian cricket team. That means if a student selects Spider-Man option, that student cannot see the questions under Iron Man, Wonder Woman and Captain America. And if students select option 3, they'll get different question. That means if students select a different question, that means if students select different options in your question paper, the students will be directed into different sections and they will see only those questions under that particular section. This is the method you have to follow to set different question papers to different students in one single online examination. So thanks for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you can get latest information of the videos once I upload videos in the YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe and stay strong.